Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tutor Toby model practice. Today we'll be going through the model 12-10 clock key. This is a very simple model using some of the cross section that we can have and then adding some cylindrical extrudes as well to create this overall model. This is a very easy model, so what we'll do is we'll start out with a cylinder, extrude, then we'll edit the cross section and add this extra cylinder here, creating this tangent line to create this edge, and then adding these two cut cylinders inside of that sketch to create the base. Then we'll add a block for this section here, and then we'll add this key knob here, and then we'll do cut extrude with the radiuses within it as well. So what we'll do is we'll begin. So we'll add a cylinder here. We'll adjust the diameter to be 80 because the radius is 40. We'll adjust this down to be 6. What we'll do now is we'll go into the cross section. We'll go to display, show endpoint dimensions. We'll move this over to 50. We'll create another center radius, which will be here. Make the radius of this 40. And what we'll do is we'll go into this part here, adjust this to be 50 from the middle. Next, we'll go and we'll add two tangents to create that line here. This has a radius of 100. And then we'll take a 2-point line here and we'll add it there. So we'll trim these sections here, and then what we'll do now is we'll go and add another center radius for the middle parts here, which will give us, these have a radius of 20 on both sides. Radius of 20. We'll click OK, which will then give us this key. We'll use triball and we'll spin it around 90 degrees here. Let's try that one more time. 90 degrees. Okay. Next, what we'll do is we'll go and we'll add this little key section here. So we'll add an extrude block here. Let's try that one more time. Let's add an extrude block here. Adjust it. All right, here we are. We'll add this point here. This needs to go out 40. We'll bring this down here and we'll match the faces. All right. The total width of this part needs to be 50. So we'll make this 50 here. All right. And what we'll do is we'll add a blend to this corner. The blend has a radius of 40. Same here, radius of 40. All right. Okay. Last thing we'll do is we'll come in with the key knob here. So we'll add a cylinder here. The cylinder has a diameter of 25 in diameter. We'll bring this up. Okay, so this point to this point here is a total of 40, and we'll bring this out to be 178. Do from the center point 178.58. Okay, make sure to adjust this. Make sure to leave this. All right. Now, what we can do is we can come to this face. We can add in the cut extrude. This has a diameter, or has a place of 15, width of 15. And then what we'll do is we'll rotate it 45 degrees. All right. And this will go inside 88 in depth. And then we'll add the blend as well. Blend here. This blend will have a total radius of 4 millimeters. here, here, and here. Click OK. And here is the part. Now we'll go to Properties, select the part, and we'll adjust, well, we don't have to adjust in this case, the density, but the mass is 930. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.